you are watching this video, then congratulations! You have been hand-selected to participate in the future of computing.
Me?
Yes, you. In this video, you will learn how to build a computer and become an asset to your team. Step 1. Order your parts. Parts you will need include a case, motherboard, CPU, memory, hard drive, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Step 2. Prepare a workplace. It is important to have a clean workspace to prevent damage to your sensitive computer parts. Step 3. Assemble parts. Let's start with the motherboard. First, you'll need to insert the processor. Remember not to touch the pins on the bottom of the chip. The oil from your skin can ruin the connectors. Then, insert the memory. You will need to apply a bit of pressure until you hear a click. Step 4. Put parts in case. Make sure to move any messy cables out of the way to prevent cable pinching. When screwing in the motherboard, work in a crisscross pattern. This will prevent bending the motherboard. Then let's install the hard drive. These are usually as simple as plugging it in. Make sure to move any messy cables out of the way to prevent cable pinching. Then we install the power supply. This is usually done after putting the motherboard in. Some computers require you to screw in the power supply. We got lucky and we don't have to. For our case, it just slides in on the top. Step 5. Congratulate yourself. Now that you've taken all the right steps to building a computer, you will be making the big bucks in no time.
Hello? Hey, can I leave?